Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to create a jump throw bind in CS2. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. CS2 eliminates the need for a jump throw bind, allowing for reliable jump throws without a bind, requiring only a leap and grenade release. The margin for error in grenade release is large, but many players still use jump throw binds due to its long-standing use. To execute the command, open the console and type the following commands seen on your screen. Replace X with desired key and duplicate description command lines one at a time for perfect results. Check CS2's website for helpful commands. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.